What is going on, guys? It's Robbie Wakes, and I'm back at it with another YouTube video. I've been hibernating for a while, but I'm finally going to take some time to start vlogging again. Recently, so much has happened in life. I got my own place, got my G80, of course. I recently opened up a watch business online, diving into e-commerce, and I've been working my ass off 24/7. All to better myself in my future, but that's not what this is going to be about today. I'm finally taking a break. I want to make a video about my 2024 G80 M3 and how fast really is a stock G80. What I mean by that is the G80 M3 obviously makes about 500 horsepower from factory, but obviously you can tune it and make quite a bit more power. So my G80 I finally tuned. It's 100% bone stock, though. It has no intakes, no downpipes, no extra modification to the car apart from a custom tune and transmission tune. And we're gonna see how fast it is today. Here she is, my 2024 G80 M3. Of course, I don't have the interior in it because why would I need an interior? Anyways, it's time for a cold start. Stock exhaust, by the way, with the valves open, of course. All right, guys, so we're back. We just filled up the car with ethanol. We're on an E50 blend. Have a MHD flex fuel kit in there to tell us the ethanol content from my phone. And if you notice, my interior is back in too. I wanted to give a real world example of what a stock car can do, and I don't think that's 100% reflected with a gutted interior. Obviously, not everyone's as crazy like me and drives around their sedan with no seats in it. I've actually had this car with no seats in it more than I've had it with these seats in it during my ownership. Maybe I should have bought a coupe. But anyways, we've got ethanol in the tank now. Now it's time to go test it out with our Draggy. If you guys don't know what Draggy is, it's a GPS performance timer that has a little satellite in it, connects to a app on your phone, and it'll give you really accurate data as to how fast your car is going. All right, we're gonna see how first gear does. Yeah, we're not using first gear. Just lift the tires up. Yeah, we're definitely gonna launch in second gear. We're at the spot, and probably one of the best things about the G80 is that you can seamlessly switch in between two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. So now that I need to warm up my tires, got warm tires now. We're gonna put it in second gear. Feeling of all-wheel drive breaking loose. Oh my gosh. You know, I thought for a second there that I might have accidentally left it in rear-wheel drive mode. We in fact did not. We're gonna try second gear again. Tires are a little more warm, and we're gonna do a little less RPM. I think we launched at like 3,500 RPM that round, so we're gonna try it at like 2,800. My camera ended up dying. I just swapped the battery and we're back. Unfortunately, I did not get the last run, but I was able to find a dryer spot in Mexico that I was able to 60 foot pretty good, and I can't believe what the car just did. Up at 1% grade, we went 10-1. That is ridiculous for a stock car. Literally low 10s. Obviously, with the weight out, this car has been 9s, but for a 100% untouched car to go low 10s is insane. This platform is actually so crazy. In terms of power, like doing the calculations, it's about 700 wheel horsepower. 700 wheel. It's fucking nuts. And the thing just lights up all 4 tires. It's ridiculous. We'll do another little pull over here before we go inside. Yes, guys, that was in fact second gear launch. This is what happens if you just roll into first gear in this car. Literally spins tires like it's a front-wheel drive Honda. Well, shout out to STI Mikey for making this car an absolute beast with literally nothing done to it. Obviously, we had to ship the ECU out to Finland and all of that other BS to unlock these cars to actually tune it, but it was certainly worth it. If you guys like this video and you want to see more, drop a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications if you want to see more videos like this. And I have some really exciting stuff coming soon, so stay tuned. You'll see a hint of it on my Instagram as well. See you guys. Have a good one.